Yo, what is going on, fam? Andrew here with another video, and it was a very successful trade that we have going on for Gbpusd. At the moment, I have only taken 2 trades for this week, which the first trade was GCAD. GCAD, we did hit stop loss, I believe it was around 40 pips, and currently right now we have this swing trade running for Gbpusd for the week, which we are currently floating around 50 to 60 pips in profits by now. Actually, yeah, around 60 pips in profit, so we should be up and running, 62 to be exact here. So let me go ahead and explain real quick on why I decided to get in for this buying position. By the way, our stop loss should now be at break even, so there's no risk to this trade at all as we speak. So let me just go ahead and break this down all the way from the weekly time frame. You want to make sure you always have the big picture of the overall market, what's going on. Always start from a bigger time frame, make your way down to find entry points. So here on the weekly time frame, I could see that I have some buy sell liquidity up here and liquidity here. As well as we also have confirmation that we're forming higher lows, higher highs, higher lows to come and break through this higher high up here, which would be my first TP and my last TP all the way up here that we have on this buy sell liquidity to fill in all this imbalance left behind on the weekly. So we have that confirmation on the weekly. We also have confirmation on weekly that we came and tested inside this weekly rejection block, which is this last bull candle before the push down. Market breaks through it, which is also our breaker, comes into it, tests right on it, and respects to give new bullishness in the market. So that's giving me confirmation that the overall movement is going to be to the upside. So now coming down to the daily perspective time frame. Here on the daily time frame, we also have confirmation that we tested on a prior rejection block here on this forward time frame, creating the breaker, which is the imbalance. Market comes down, tests it once, twice, 3 times, and creates a good push to the upside. Now coming to the 4-hour time frame, pretty simple explanation here on the 4-hour where I was looking for my entry. I got in right when we tested inside this 4-hour commission price candle because I saw that market had broken through this highs. Market created a commission price candle, created a small imbalance area inside here, right there, for market to come and test into it, which we did come and test right into that commission price candle. My stop loss, I had it below commission price candle, which was at 35 to 37 pips. My take profit, as mentioned, I have all the way up here, right at 189, which is on my daily high to be taken out. After that daily high is taken out, we'll most likely will be reaching the old high up here. So now coming back into the 4-hour, we had that confirmation. And then when I came into the 2-hour time frame here, on the 2-hour time frame, I broke it down. And this is where I started marking my fib retracement, which I marked my fib from my start of the impulse that we had here to my end of the impulse up here, which you always want to make sure you mark it from wick to wick. So wick to wick. In this case, it was wick to body since we had no wick up here. Market comes down, retracing to that 705, which is a very important discounted price level, which is also testing right in the opening of that accumulation price candle right there. So that gave me enough confirmations to be getting in for that buying position. So I got in based on the 2-hour, and 4-hour, which was my 4-hour entry right in that area to continue pushing higher. And as we speak, market continues to rise to the upside. We should now be in profits around 67 pips in profits by now. So with that being said, guys, that's the only pair that I'm taking to look for the rest of the week. Everybody have a great night. Happy trading to you guys all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's live session.